is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy again with another video. Today is the day that we are going to be fixing the bike. It's been about a month since I've ordered these parts from Amotopart, and they finally came. I did get the parts. Let me actually get them out really quick. These are the parts. They finally came in. It is a naked bike, so the amount of parts needed for this bike weren't that many. And my dog's here. If you guys don't know, this is Rex. He is my Roddy, and my wife is also here too. But yeah, they came. We're chilling at the park, and I was like, you know what, why not just work on the bike while I'll be at the park? I'm not gonna be changing every single piece on this bike right now. What I'm gonna be doing is just changing the main parts that were messed up, and it's matching components. So what I mean by that is, if you guys notice here, I'm gonna be fixing this whole part right here, as well as its matching component, which should be right over here. I did notice though that the side fairing of the tank for from Amotopart, the green is a little different from the OEM. I have to admit though, Amotopart does have great quality in terms of the paint. So this is the side fairing. This is the side that actually got messed up. So if you see right here, yeah, you see like there's just a little tad of like different type of green. It's almost like not the same green. It's so hard to tell though. I'm in pure sunlight right now. I mean, it's not that bad. So this is going to be the main part that we're going to be fixing today. As you can see, it'll finally be fixed. Now, if you notice, there is no Kawasaki on the Amotopart piece. I did order a new emblem from Kawasaki, so I can be able to put it on here. I know that a lot of people go through Amotopart because of the fact that they want a more customized look for their bike. For me, I kind of love this OEM colorway. That's kind of the reason why I bought the bike. So I don't want to change it too much. That's why I'm keeping the colors the same. I mean, look at the quality of that. That is just actually crazy. Again, I'm not gonna be doing every piece. This bike is pretty much still brand new, so it's not like I need to change everything. I'm gonna be taking this bike to the track, so what that means is I'm gonna be keeping some of these fairings just in case I crack anything or whatever. And then also too, we're gonna be replacing the rear seat fairing as well. That does have a little scratch here. I think that was from my foot. And this is the rear seat fairing. This thing looks freaking sick, guys. This thing, oh my god, the paint quality of this thing is crazy. And I do have a surprise. I couldn't complete this kit without titanium bolts, baby. Let's go. Look at that. So like every screw, like this, like that. This kit did come with the tank cover, which is super cool. These look freaking amazing. I think the colorway of these bolts are just gonna like give it like a little bit of a ooh, you know what I'm saying, like a little bit of a kick to it. I was a little wary about like these titanium bolts because of the way that the green is, but you see a little bit hint of green like right there. But yeah, so they have like this part right here. This is like the front fender area, like under panel. Like I don't need to change this. Like this looks fine to me, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is the tank. Look at that, freaking crazy, bro. In like the sunlight, like you can tell the quality of the paint. Like it's like no waving or anything. So gonna get started. So we're gonna take off these things first. So this thing was actually just being held on by this one screw and this one tab, and that's crazy. Look what happened here. That freaking sucks. Yeah, we'll keep that grommet in there, and then we gotta take this apart, this whole piece right here, push tab, and then it looks like one grommet right here. This is the other broken piece, so this is gonna be gone. What's really good too about this kit is that there are a bunch of replacement pieces right here that we can reuse again, but nothing else broke here. It looks like everything here worked okay. I think for the tank cover we do have to take this off as well. So these tabs are literally causing me so much trouble right now. I got this side of the fairing off. I did notice that this is a bracket that's meant for the inside of it. I'm assuming that I need to do the same thing on here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this to the right, so it would be that one. So you can see the brackets are on the new fairings now. Now I'm gonna actually try to install the tank first before I do anything else. I think the tank has to go inside under all the other fairings. So I have the left and right, and I have this open for the tank. I think I don't need the front. Yep, I need the front. Yep. All right, so I gotta move this as well. So all right guys, I just kind of went ahead and went after it. I had to take off these couple of bolts right here, also take off the seats, and then this bracket right here was kind of like it's kind of covering the tank area right here. So this is where the tank is actually going to be like sitting in. So I just got to unbolt those, and I had to stick the new tank on. So I got the bolts out. This is what's coming from over here, and then I think I just got to slip this on. So I just put on the tank. It looks freaking amazing. But yeah, fitment is A1, Amotopart, A1, it rhymes. I didn't really have to do all this, so I could just bolt this back up, so should be good. So we just got this side done. I just gotta put a bolt here, but this thing is looking freaking good. As you guys can see, we do have the titanium bolts in already, which is looking really, really good. And then we're just putting the plastic pieces in here, but titanium bolt will be going here as well. So far, so good, can't complain. We got that one, this side done. Looks freaking amazing with this, all the titanium bolts right here. So it got so dark, I didn't even know, but we are done. We have installed everything. I'm gonna try to find an area where I could basically just show you guys the results. But we have titanium here, we've changed the heel guards as well. That's looking great. And then we installed all the titanium. The rear is looking solid as well, no issues or anything. It's so late, I just want to ride now, so we're gonna go for a ride. The bike is all clean. I'm gonna try to get better lighting when we ride so you guys can kind of see titanium, right? All right, fam, we are on the road and riding in the new parts. As you can see, the freaking titanium right there. Oh my god, and everything else is looking real juicy. Yeah, let's just go for a little ride, enjoy the parts. I miss riding this bike. It's been like at least a week or two since I've ridden it. So good to have the bike in one piece again. I freaking love it. Woo! Oh man, everything looks so good on it. Titanium bolts, you really can't see the titanium bolts at night, but I know during the day, when we go ride during the day, it's gonna look so good. I'm just trying to get one pull here before I end the vlog. Stop by this gas station. I want to make sure I just show you guys the results of everything, how everything looks. I think you kind of see the titanium a little bit. You can kind of see it here. I did change the heel guards to black, so that's there. Titanium, 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 and after that we do have titanium all up in the front over here. So the bike is finally in one piece, and I am loving it. Thank you guys so much for all the support. If you're watching this for the first time, go ahead down below, like, comment, subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. If you're already an OG subscriber, thank you. I love you. Thank you all for support. But if anything, I will catch you guys on the next one.